57%. That number right there represents the dramatic increase in domestic violence cases in Jackson County. And this is actually a good thing because it comes after prosecutor Melissa Johnson implemented new reporting policies, rerouting cases through the state level rather than municipal courts, putting more abusers behind bars.
Right. The prosecutor launched this dashboard today now where you can see the numbers of domestic violence cases in real time. It also shows active cases that her office is working on. Johnson says tracking results helps survivors.
Right now, survivors are receiving justice. Abusers are facing real consequences, longer sentences, prevented from continuing the cycle of violence. This data is potentially saving lives.
And now we want to go to KCTV5's Grace Smith. She joins us now from the Jackson County Courthouse.
And Grace, you spoke with the local shelter. What are they telling you about this new resource?
Lauren, they believe that with the transparency and clarity of this dashboard, it will not only help reduce this kind of violence that we're seeing in our community, but it will also give some peace to the survivors.
You need visibility to know what's going on.
Courtney Thomas is the president and CEO of New House, Kansas City's first domestic violence shelter.
We are seeing such a significant rise in violence in our community.
Are you needing a shelter space?
43 times a day, when that phone rings, someone is on the other line asking for a safe place to stay at night.
So while in 2024, Kansas City was fortunate to serve 10,000 survivors, only 10% of them made them into a shelter due to a lack of bed space.
While the shelter has been at capacity for months, it's renovations like this one through Lowe's and a 40-bed expansion that will help close in that gap.
So an additional 40 beds means more people will hear yes. It will directly impact, we know, the homicide numbers that we are seeing in our community.
Transparency matters to us just as much as results.
Back in April, I interviewed Jackson County Prosecutor Melissa Johnson, who reflected on her first 90 days in office. One of the first things she did was send this letter to law enforcement, requesting severe domestic violence cases be sent directly to her.
We're breaking down the silos between municipal and county prosecutors, and we're building a system where the most dangerous offenders don't slip through the cracks.
Today, this new dashboard is a direct result of that letter. Since it was sent in January, her office has increased filing domestic violence cases by 70%.
Right now, survivors are receiving justice. Abusers are facing real consequences, longer sentences, prevented from continuing the cycle of violence.
Data that gives Thomas and her residents hope for change.
It's about getting to the root cause of the things that feed the cycle of abuse.
And they both want to be clear that help is just one phone call away. Even though New House is at capacity, they will help anyone who calls. So please don't hesitate. Live in downtown, Grace Smith, KCTV5 News.
Yeah, Grace, you and I both reporting on this issue, which is a true crisis here in our city. It's good to see a solution and one that appears to be working. Thank you so much.